Hi guys, it's Adrienne. This is your 2-minute vocal tip of the week. You might notice I am holding a straw. It's kind of short because I leave it in my purse all the time. You might think that's kind of gross, but I've got it inside this little pouch so it stays relatively clean. The reason I carry a straw in my purse all the time is because a straw is a great vocal exercise. You might have already heard of this, singing through a straw, like that alone is a great warm-up. It is one of the best. It's probably about as, well, maybe not as common as the rolled R's or the lip trills or raspberries. All of those. It serves a similar function, which is to occlude or get in the way of your airflow. But what we're going to do today is we're going to put that straw in a bottle or glass of water. Now, if you use a bottle, it's a little easier because the water won't end up splashing all over the place. If you use a glass of water, you might want to kind of like hold it and cover the top of the glass so that as the bubbles go, it doesn't splatter all over the place. But basically, we're just going to sing through the straw into the water like this. And this will really illuminate where you don't have full breath support, because obviously you're going to get more resistance when you're blowing air into a bottle of water or a glass of water than when you just blow into the air, because there's more mass resisting that airflow. So what we'll do is we will take, not the 5-note scale I just did, but we'll take an octave arpeggio. We'll start there. Men can be an octave down. Do 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 do. So that's the pattern we're going to sing, and we're just going to do it through the straw into the bottle of water. Here we go. All right, let's just stop there. And if you want, you can work your way back down. And what you can do after this is take a song that you're having some breath support issues on, usually like right around your bridge. Like if you're singing something where you have to make a transition from chest to head and you're pulling the rug out under it, like you're not breathing through that section and you're getting tight, try singing the melody through the straw into the bottle. So let's see if we're going to sing the happy birthday song. And you'll find that if you don't have enough breath support, that those bubbles will stop because you're not pushing enough air. All right, that I give credit to Carrie Ann Hughes in Salt Lake City for. She is a great master coach. Go ahead and subscribe and like and sign up for notifications. And you might also want to check out Nail Every Note, which is my membership site for vocalists. It is a great way to do at-home study for a really affordable rate. It's got over 170 video lessons and the option to get private lessons with me or one of my teachers. So anyway, you can just check it out at naileverynote.com. The link is below. All right, I'll see you next time.